All right, guys. British turn Kings and Kaisers 1.5. The British turn 3. Okay. I had 45 to spend, so I'm going to buy 5 for tech. For 6, I'm buying a transport. For 7, I'm buying an infantry artillery. For 10, I'm buying 2 fighters. For another 11, I'm buying 2 artillery and 1 infantry. And I'm buying 2 more infantry for 6. All right. So that's my buys. All right. I got a lot to do. And we'll see what happens. All right, so let's roll for my tech. See if I get a breakthrough. Let me get through something good. Let's see. Roll for tech. Oh, look at that, a 5 and a 6. Woohoo! All right, let's see what we get. 2 3s. Oh, 2 machine guns. Oh my God. What I want with nope. Actually, 3s are poison gas. That I even like better. All right. 2 for poison. 2 poison gases. All right. Well, let's put 1 right now in London. So we'll figure that out. Where I'm going to place that in a second. I'll leave that one there. I know where I'm going to put the other one. So, and this one is going right here. Okay, so that's where I'm going to put that one for right now. All right, and I already got poison gas over here, but I'll put it there. That'll help me. So, yeah. And, yeah, I think I know where I'm going to put the other one, but that'll be, I'll have to talk to my opponent, my partner on that one. So, but yeah, I think I put that one there. Okay. All right. So we'll have to figure that out though when I do that turn too. All right. So movement. Might as well get this over with on this side. All right. So once in East India infantry is moving to West Indy. So that's 3 there. Burma guys going to East Indy. These 3 are from Siam are going up into Burma. All right, the one guy in Malaya is going up to Siam. Okay. All right. So these guys are all staying here. I'm taking 1 from Anglo-Egyptian Sudan and moving it up to Egypt. I am taking 1 infantry in French Ecuador and moving them up to Anglo-Egyptian Sudan. All right, these 2 guys in Congo are going to attack East Africa with 1 cavalry. The transport is going 1, okay, and picking up the 2 guys from Angola, moving them to landing there. All right. This transport from C-Zone is going 1, picking up the artillery and infantry in German West South Africa and going 1, and also landing them there. And I know you'll have your offshore bombardment. Battleship is going to go 1, 2, and he's going to perform a bombardment. All right. My fighter is coming in. 1, 2. All right. Plus my artillery with my poison gas that I just got. Woohoo. And my 1, 2, 3 infantry are going in there too. All right. So the only thing is I wonder, does the poison gas get to work for both of my artillery? Since one is coming from the ship, I'm not for sure. So that one we'll have to figure out, you know. This Union of South Africa guy is moving up to Rio de Janeiro. All right. Okay. Over here for my fleet, I am going to move my battleship 1, 2, and with my cruiser 1, 2 into Z Zone 73. I'm going to take my transport and go 1, 2. All right, up to C Zone 8. All right. Okay. All right. Fleet staying here. 2 transports. All right. Is going 1 and picking up 2 artillery. Going 2, landing them here. All right. Okay. All right, this one here, okay, yeah, probably doing it wrong though, but anyway, the other guy's going to go 1, 2, pick up the 2 infantry in Wales and land them there in Belgium. All right, so that'll be that. Okay. So that'll be pretty much it. Okay. Okay. Well, after I talk to Moose Cow, I'm reserving the right to move my fighter over here or leave it there. So I want to talk to him first and see what he thinks. Okay. All right. So just so you know, I have that reserved that right. All right. And the fleet is staying there. Yep. All right. Okay. So I have one battle to do. Over there, he's got 1 shore bombardment. Okay. So shore bombardment is a 2 or less. And he hit a 5 on the shore bombardment, so that's done. All right. I've got all right, so let's figure this out. I'm going to have air superiority. So he's got 3. He's got 4 infantry and 2 artillery. So he gets another short bombardment. I thought it was 1. But let's do the other one. And the other one's a 5. So he missed both bombardments. Okay. So he's got 2 artillery and 4 infantry. All right. All right. Defender. Yep. Okay. All right, so that's what he's got. All right, now I've got a fighter for one. Gives me air superiority, and I have poison gas, so I got to figure that out. I haven't really done that before. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 infantry. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 infantry with 2 artillery, so that would upgrade those to 3, correct? Yep. Okay. So there's 10 infantry. All right. I got 1 cavalry. Okay. All right. So with my air superiority, my 2 artillery are going to be 4s. I also got poison gas, so let me see what happens on that. Sorry, but not a big... All right, poison gas. All right, you can resupply. Okay, for every roll of 3, a pair the poison gas with a relative artillery unit. Okay, so I have 2 units. So the example is I roll 2 dice for those 2, and 1s or 3 get counted, and that paralyzes the guys, right? It paralyzes infantry, right? Defending infantry. So these 3 artillery provide a bunch in, and okay. So I get 2 rolls. So I'm correct. 3 or less. All right. So here's the gas, and I get poison one guy. So 1 guy gets poisoned. All right. So he doesn't get to attack. Right. All right. So there's what I got. So I got 2 artillery with the fighter. 2, 4, 6, 8 infantry, 1 fighter, 1 artillery, or 1 cavalry, and 2 of my infantry are with the artillery, so they move up to there. So, and I need 6 hits. 6 hits to take it. I didn't realize I had that much. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. Out of all that, 4 hits. All right. That's all I got, 4 hits. Okay, so he gets to reply with 5. And he gets 2 hits on me. All right, so I will take off 2 infantry. All right, 1, 2. He has to take off at least 3 infantry, so we can keep the 1 paired with that machine gun, and 1 artillery. So that's his 4 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that is contested. And so Germany will go down 2 for the contesting. 1, 2. All right. There's my guys. All right. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So Germany will hang on to that province being contested. Okay. So then I will have chip that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five, 6, 7, 8 infantry, 1 artillery, or 1 cavalry, 2 artillery with poison gas. All right, and a fighter. Okay, and he'll have 1 infantry, 1 artillery, and his infantry he'll have a machine gun. Okay, so that's what he's got left. What a bummer. Oh, and landmines. Nope, that was my landmine. That's not his, so I didn't have to roll for the landmine. Okay, and that is no longer there. So that's contested. All right, so there's no there. That's done. Okay, the British moved up their guys. Okay. 5. All right. Okay. I guess I'll put my seeds down because that was the only battle I had. So, all right, everybody else moved. All right, I'm going to put 1 plane in West Indy. And I'm going to put 2 artillery. I'm going to actually put 3 artillery there. Okay. You're going to put 2 infantry in Egypt. Okay. And the rest will go in London. Okay. Okay. The ship will go here. Transport. And 2 guys will go in Wales, and the fighter will go in London. All right, so there's what I got. All right, let me see. For deposition of troops, C-Zone 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cruisers, 1 dreadnought, 2 subs, 3 transports. All right, with a battleship and with a dreadnought and a cruiser from France. All right. In Belgium, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 infantry, 8 infantry, with an elite, 1 fighter, and 1, 2, 3, 4 artillery. Okay. 4 artillery. Okay, London, I have the same. I have 3 artillery and 3 infantry and a fighter. Okay. And Wales, 2 infantry and an artillery. Yorkshire, 1 infantry. 1 infantry in Scotland. 5 infantry in Canada with 1 artillery. Okay. Transport in C-Zone 8. Okay. 1 dreadnought and 1 cruiser in 73. All right. All right, over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 11. I have 12 infantry. Okay. 12 infantry, 1 artillery with poison gas. Trench works. I'm sorry, let me put the camera over there. I'm sorry. Trench works in Egypt, poison gas, and 1 elite. 1 elite with 12 units. Okay, 12 infantry, 1 artillery. Okay. In Anglo-Egyptian Sudan, I have 1 infantry. All right. In C-Zone 38, I have 2 transports and 1 dreadnought. In German South Africa, he has 1 infantry left, 1 artillery with the machine gun. I'll ask Johnny real quick if he wants to just make it 2 infantry, which he probably might want to do, or I guess it really ain't going to matter because no matter what happened. I have 1 fighter. I have 5, 6, 7, 8 infantry, 2 artillery with poison gas, and 1 cavalry. Okay. New South Wales, I have two artillery and six infantry. New Zealand 1 infantry. Pampaya 1 infantry. Queensland 2 infantry. Northern Borneo 1 infantry. Siam 1 infantry. Burma 2 infantry and artillery. East India 1 infantry. And you know, every time I put my hand in there, the focus goes out. So I'm not going to do that unless I go farther away. That works. Okay. So in West India, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 artillery, 1 fighter, 1 1 cavalry, 1 French guy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 infantry. All right, so there's 6 infantry there. Okay, and Cyprus 1 infantry, Malta 1 infantry, and in 31 I got 2 cruisers. Okay. So I wonder what that dude's at. Why he's sitting there? Don't know. Have to figure him out. No, he's not in Italy. So, all right. I'll pull him out. Maybe he killed or something, and I'll figure it out. All right. That's it for Britain. Let me do my NOs for money. I collect 47. 47. And what do I have here? If the Allies control the following. Nope. Nope. If the British Empire controls, nope. If there are no African territories controlled by the Central Powers, nope. If the Empire of China has one, nope. If there's no Central Power warship, nope. So I really got no NOs. All right, so I'll get 47 next turn. Okay? All right.